Crazy Chef, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. So today I'm making fried chicken in the oven. So I'm making baked fried chicken. That's what I think that's what it's called. I've seen it. I've never done it before. So I'm gonna test this recipe to see if it's a vibe. So what I did is I make a egg wash. So all I did was take a 3/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs and some chicken seasoning, and I whisk that together. Obviously it's fried chicken, so you need some form of breading. So a couple cups of flour, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some chicken spice, some paprika, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder, and a little bit of corn starch. And that we'll mix that out. That's gonna be our flour for our baked fried chicken. So obviously you have to wash, cut, and season your chicken depending on the type of chicken you're using. So I washed, I seasoned my chicken. And if you want to see a video of how I wash and season my chicken, I'm going to leave a link in the description. So usually when you're going to fry anything at all, first you go to dry, then you go to wet, then you go to dry. So that's what we're doing. So we're going to coat our chicken in our flour mixture. Make sure it's nice and coated. And then we're gonna dip each pieces in our egg mixture. Then we're gonna put it back in our flour mixture. So big vibe. Hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button and be a part of the vibes. As I said, I've never tried this recipe before. So if it's a vibe, it's a vibe. You won't know if it's a vibe until you reach the end of the video or until you actually tried the vibe. So what we're doing now is we're coating our chicken. So we're coating our pieces of chicken, and then we're gonna go to the next process of this recipe. As I said, I saw this recipe. I've never heard of it before. Surprisingly, I've never tried it before, but looks like it's a vibe. If it's a vibe, we want to be a part of it. So we try to be a part of the vibe. So Crazy Chef, hit that like button for the algorithm. And we're making baked fried chicken. So coat all the pieces of your chicken. Soon as you coat all the pieces of your chicken, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a spray bottle and we're gonna spray them with oil because you need some form of grease. So we're gonna put them on our baking rack, and then we're gonna get a spray bottle. So now is the perfect time to figure that you want to get a spray bottle. We're gonna put them on our baking rack, and then we're gonna get a spray bottle, and we're gonna just spray the pieces of chicken, and that's how you get the vibe. Then we're gonna bake at 300 for 45 minutes. Then you're gonna turn your oven up and you're gonna bake at 350 for another 20 minutes, and it should be perfect. If you don't get the desired crispiness and the desired look you want, you can bake it a little longer. But after your first 45 and your next 20, you should have something like this. Baked fried chicken. Big vibe. And you want to rotate your baking pan as you go along. Crazy Chef, big vibe with the baked fried chicken.